again south.
That's doing east though, right? I'm getting so hot already.
It's hot. I'm hot just standing here. Even the breeze blowing is a warm breeze, not a cool breeze.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's great. I love it.
What do you think the wind speed is like?
Up here?
Yeah, right now.
Probably 5 or 6.
Okay.
At times it gets down to about 3.
Yeah.
So I would wait for a lighter cycle or a straighter cycle or both.
Okay.
You know. But I'll be on this side.
Okay.
If it's crossing from the left and you only have one person, get them on the side it's coming from.
Coming from, gotcha.
If you need one person on a wire, the upwind side.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want me on the wire? You can get on this one if you want. It's pretty light, but every once in a while it'll pick up, and with it being a little cross, you know, it's better to have it and not need it. That looked like that picked up just a hair. Yeah, I would wait. That's a stronger cycle. So when it picks up, it gets a little more cross, like right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, just wait for a light cycle, it'll be fine. Now what may happen when it's crossing that way, as you say clear and you start to go, your glider may try to yaw into the wind as you run off, right? It's not doing this. If it does this, then you got to
Bump
fix
to
it.
the right, yeah.
If it yaws this way, then I'm still running this way, straight off, and it'll just fly off like that. Don't run with it that way or you're going to get in a big turn.
Right.
But if it yaws that way, just keep running straight. Let's check it out real quick. That feels pretty good. Let's walk all the way out to the red line. Neutral. Going out. Going out. Neutral. Going out. A little more. A little more. That's good right there. I got neutral. Neutral. Neutral.
Clear.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, the gust difference was a lot less though,
Yeah.
which is not as terrifying.
Yeah, it's not 20 to 30.
Yeah. Anytime it's over like, or even really close to 9,